One world. One team. One dream. We do everything for love. In the 21st century, and in the age of globalization, a unique Chinese company appeared on the scene of international direct selling and very quickly became a huge success, a miracle, a legend. This is Winalite International, one of the brightest rising stars in the world today. Winalite International was founded by a caring entrepreneur with over 20 years of business success. His love and intense caring for the health of all the mothers in the world has resulted in the creation of the Love Moon Anion sanitary napkin, one of the most effective, high-tech, and miraculous products for women. As the world economy is recovering strongly from the recent recession, Winalite International is flying even higher with the rapid growth of China, an emergent superpower, which has recently surpassed Japan as the second largest economy in the world. The vision of Winalite International is nurturing a force of love in this world and helping others create a life of ultimate freedom by providing opportunities that care for consumers, innovative products that care for people's health, and a corporate culture that emphasizes social values. Under the visionary leadership of Mr. Vincent Chen, Winalite has steadily built up an international team of talented, passionate, and committed managers since the sensational launch of Winalite in January 2007. 1 month after the launch, Winalite International began operations in Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Thailand, and Taiwan. 1 year after the launch, it went public on the OTC BB in the USA. 2.5 years after the launch, sales of Winalite International hit $10 billion, way ahead of the most optimistic sales forecast. Today, riding on the path of global expansion, Winalite has expanded into major markets on 7 continents, including Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Japan, Korea, Taiwan, India, Russia, Brazil, South Africa, the UAE, the USA, Canada, and Italy. From her world headquarters in Guangzhou, Winalite International has organized her world market into 7 regions, namely Southeast Asia and Oceania, Greater Russia, North America, South America, Africa, Europe, and the Middle East. The global reach of Winalite International has provided a unique international business development platform for members the world over. When you enroll in any Winalite country, the whole world becomes your market. The miraculous product, Love Moon Anion Sanitary Napkin, has created the Winalite legend. Winalite's Anion technology has revolutionized the function and role of the sanitary napkin, elevating it from the role of a protector to that of a guardian of health. Love Moon represents a giant leap in the science and design of sanitary napkins. It has won numerous accreditations, including Hong Kong's safety certification, the EU CE certification, and America's FDA approval, among others. With its unparalleled quality, marketed through Winalite's unique business model, Love Moon Anion sanitary napkins have since brought immense health benefits to women all over the world. After achieving phenomenal success with a single product line, Winalite International has now embarked upon a multi-line product strategy, which includes not only personal health products like Love Moon Anion sanitary napkins and panty liners, but also WinGuard and the EMF card. We now also have skincare products, health food like WinCafe, and family care products. In 2010, Winalite International continued to expand into new markets and business partnerships. Winalite has successfully entered into strategic partnerships with Suncast TV, an IPTV service provider, offering a wide range of information and entertainment content from around the world, and a renowned research institution in product development in the United States. With these business partnerships, Winalite will be able to introduce more quality products to the marketplace within a shorter time frame and provide all Winaliters with a broader product portfolio to tap into the ever-growing consumers' demand in the world market. Winalite's sanitary napkin manufacturing plant in Gaoming, Guangdong Province will be one of the largest sanitary napkin facilities in the world once it is fully operational. State-of-the-art equipment imported from the United States, Italy, and Switzerland, and fully automated production lines in the Gaoming plant have an annual output capacity that will not only fulfill the insatiable demand for the products, but also bring in billions of dollars of sales for all Winaliters. The Gaoming plant will provide an unassailable boost to the competitiveness and standing of Winalite in the world market. Going forward, Winalite will not only intensify her operational support to existing markets, she will also continue to nurture and grow new and emerging markets in different parts of the world. At the same time, the focus of the global marketing strategy of Winalite International will shift to meeting the special needs and adapting to the market conditions of each individual region and country, as Winalite advances on her course of becoming a truly global corporation in the international direct selling industry. One world, one team, one dream. Everything we do it for love. Under the guidance of our chairman, Mr. Vincent Chen, millions of Winaliters will share their Winalite opportunities and their genuine love with others wherever they are. Winaliters are the goodwill ambassadors for the Winalite vision, outstanding health products, and her caring and loving culture in helping people all over the world to achieve a life of ultimate freedom. Over the last 4 years, Winalite International has been soaring and scaling new heights and achieving tremendous success year after year. The future of Winalite International is limitless. Winaliters are filled with confidence and love, and this is only the beginning. The best is yet to come. Let us seize this moment in history. Together, as one team with one dream, all Winaliters shall rise in one world. Winalite International.